तो ये जानना बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि विच आर द टॉप 5 लैंग्वेजेस इन 2020। सो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट ये क्वेश्चन इसलिए भी है क्योंकि उन 5 लैंग्वेज में से यदि आपको कोई भी आता है एक, तो आपको डेफिनेटली जॉब मिल जाएगा यदि बहुत अच्छे से आता है तो सबसे पहले कि उन चीजों को मैंने किस हिसाब से कैटेगराइज किया है, तो सबसे फर्स्ट कि द टाइम इट टेक्स टू लर्न, सेकेंड वन इज द जॉब मार्केट, एंड थर्ड वन इज द overall productivity of the student, and the most important one is the growth of the language. So fifth one is Java. So Java से आप Android applications बना सकते हैं और भी बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं Java से। तो according to Indeed.com Java का जो अभी एवरेज सैलरी है इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स वो है 103,346 पर ईयर। सो ये बहुत ही अच्छा है। फोर्थ वन इज स्विफ्ट, so by which you can make Apple applications which have good ranking in Play Store, और इस पे ये Google Trends पे स्टेबल है और इसका एवरेज सैलरी यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में अकॉर्डिंग टू Indeed.com 117,034। सो ये बहुत ही अच्छा सैलरी है। सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑफ 5। थर्ड वन इज SQL, this programming language. Some people will say this is programming language. Yes, this is structured query language. And like that, if you like my video and YouTube, it stores somewhere in database. So ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है SQL। जैसे कि आप वेब डेवलपमेंट में भी जाइएगा, चाहे वो फ्रंट एंड हो या बैक एंड हो, तो आपका डेटा कहीं ना कहीं स्टोर होता है, तो यू मस्ट नो SQL। So according to Indeed.com in United States, the average salary of SQL developer is 89,609 per year. This is a good amount. So number 2 is JavaScript. According to PayPal Index and Google Trends, JavaScript is the second top programming language in the world. In website making, so you must know JavaScript. This is the must know thing in programming or backend development in website making. So you must know JavaScript. This is the must know thing in programming and must know especially for web development. The average salary of JavaScript developer according to Indeed.com in United States is 113,615 for the first one. So first one is Python. Not only according to me, according to PayPal and according to Google Trends, Python is the first top programming language of the world. Let me tell you which type of company uses Python. Google is built in Python, YouTube is built in Python, Dropbox, Hipmunk, Reddit, Instagram, Quora, Reddit, Spotify, Netflix, and the list goes on. Web development can be done by Python. There are many frameworks which allows you to do web development in a great way in Python, like Django and Flask, by which you can make great websites. So there are many frameworks and libraries in Python which allows you to do loads of data science applications. Also, the real reason why Python grows so much is the data science. The data science has grown so much in the last few years, and many machine learning algorithms are done with Python. So Python is the great language. It is much beginner friendly and real world applications can be made very fastly. So you can do data science and machine learning with it very well. And according to Indeed.com, in United States, the average salary of a Python developer is $118,626 per year. So I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please smash the bell icon and hit the subscribe bell if you are watching me the first time. So thank you all.